All right. Hey, good morning, everyone. Thanks for joining. Thanks for watching. And man, it's been a crazy couple of days. So yeah, let's do a quick recap. Let's go to Friday because Friday we had some um massive action. And I was pointing this out. It's not a surprise. It kind of stinks that we did go all the way down, but if you take a look here, I mean, this was forecasted as foreseen, so we had that bump, that hop right there. That's like a miniature bounce, and then we tried really hard. The Bulls did to, make some way up, but then we just came down. We pierced the level again, and then we showed some strength here because we didn't quite reach this 123 level, and then try to um, come and break out. At this point, it becomes a failed breakout because we've um, tried, here and then the prior one we made a new high, which was um, bearish, and we did this next dip. We actually broke through the level, 123 level. Then we recovered it, so this was good. But at this point, we're just ultra bearish and just showing a lot of weakness to the upside. And then that's what's caused a big sell off. We hit this 145, 143 resistance area and just sold off, 100 points. And um, I did not trade, which kind of stinks on Friday. I don't trade OPEX days and I don't trade FOMC days just because um, there's just some weird movement. And obviously, this was weird. I'm glad I didn't, though. I was talking to a couple of my buddies, told them that I'd be knife catching this whole time. Or, trying to go along, like, on the way down. So I'm really glad that I did. But yeah, we had this, pretty pretty big setup. This one, two, this might be two right here. Three, four, five. We broke through, recovered, and then on the sixth one we just started a new leg down, and so now Monday Bulls kind of like just kind of faked this out. So we Monday we recovered, right, and then we defended this 43 level, bounced up here, but then we broke through. So Bulls are just getting manhandled right now, and then so we went down, did a new leg down. Now we're at this 59.96 level. We bounced, and then we're right back down. And we showed strength again, defending that 59.96. But now look at, we're falling through. Now, the good thing that we have going for us is that the Bulls look like they are defending this quite well. Um, Not quite well, actually. I'd prefer for them to hold this 59.96, but we fell through. Now we are in a quite a predicament because they don't want to lose the 59.82, and you can see that this is just kind of megaphone resistance. It means support. So we have this like miniature megaphone. I mean, I'd give it a lot of validity now since it's staying true to the um the range. So we got this is the game plan for today. Um, it does look pretty good for a recovery, though. I was getting worried. I woke up like an hour ago to check it out, and we had just done this candle and this one, and I was like, great, we're gonna lose this. Once we lose this 59.82, we're gonna start next leg down, probably to 61 for sure, 59.61, and then 59.32. But it looks like we see right here what I would think is that this next candle would be up to here. So let's do that. And then the next one will probably, you know, go to there. And then we'll have probably some choppy mess here. Need a base for a little bit, you know. And then from there, we can tackle that one. And then finally, maybe get a big one in the evening. See, but then if we do that, I don't like that. We start making a bearish figure right there. I don't like that a lot. I mean, because this could probably go to. Mm, I mean, it might have a little bit in it. If we do something like that, though, I mean, it's kind of just setting up for a big old dump. And actually, I don't like RSI at all right now. Ugh. Look, you guys are catching this live. Just delete all of my crayon markings. Yeah, I don't like this this spike too much. You know, anytime you see, well, this is actually not that bad. It looked worse zoomed out. Anytime you see a spike like this, there's normally a reversal. So like, you know, here we saw this big spike on this candle here, and you know, we came back down. Or even this right here, perfect example. Spike down on RSI. Kind of based for a little bit, so you could get this going on too. And this is the tricky part. So, but then you know we should be expecting some upside when you're down here at the 10 region. Doesn't like to stay there too long, except for Friday, you know. But Friday we were, I mean the RSI moving average was brought down quite a bit, you know. And this one for sure does not like to be under 30 for very long. I can't, let's see, the last time we were under 30. So this movement tells me that we're like super bearish. Oh yeah, back in February 3rd, or the last time that we sold off, you know, made this big gap down. So that's the last time that that's dipped under there. So yeah, I don't know. Not sure. I guess we just gotta watch and see. You know, the Bulls have a couple things going for them. Is this, you know, dip to the or pump to the upside? We do have something like this forming. Be good to maybe form that, you know, inverse head and shoulders, and then take off. We just need to form, Bulls need to form something, because man, right now we are cleared for takeoff to the downside. You know, we've, and this is, you know, some good educational material for those that want to look for a short. Is we've had this a little bit. I mean, we could keep doing this, like hopping down, you know. So we got hop down here, hop down, another one here, broke through, and then this could be one right here. We could start. This actually, like, this actually is cleared us to start the next leg down. This testing, all this action at this 59.82 level sets us up for the next leg down. And this is exactly what you want to see when you're shorting is you want to see the supply or demand drain, supply drain, whatever. You want to see the support drained here and then a bounce. So here's the bounce right here, this 1 hour candle. And then or failed, you want to see a failed breakdown at the level. So this is technically failed breakdown, and we're currently recovering it. It might have one more bounce in it, maybe. But yeah, after that, it's all good to go down. Plus we're at megaphone support. So yeah, this tells me that this'll break and we'll just go down. It's almost like what happened TradingView did some weird updating, so it's just so weird now. It's the same as what happened here. We had this megaphone pattern here as well. What's that? 14.34. It is close as possible. We had this megaphone pattern going on here, and as you can see, the 23 was the important zone, right? That was our that color. That was our barrel, our support line. Wow, this is annoying. All right, so you had your bounce here. I guess technically that's a bounce. Then we had a pierce here. Bounce. Big pierce here. Recovery. And then plummet, So this was a pretty strong level. We had 1, 2. Well, I mean, it pierced through here. It was supportive there. Pierced again. There you go. Each pierce got deeper and deeper. So there's the next one. Here's the next one. And then this recovery here just set it up for more downside. So that's kind of something similar that I'd be looking for. Down here. So. And obviously this becomes invalid because we're on to the next one. But this one's like cruising on the support. We're kind of just bouncing down. So similar situation. Bounce, 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 and this one will. I mean, it could do that, or it could, continue to bounce. We could just ride this all the way. So, but the moment it pierces through, it starts the next leg down. So that's why that's like that. So. So we'll see. This is it'll be an interesting day for sure. And as always, trade level to level. Um, I'd have been quite bullish until recently. I've been looking at the charts and there's been quite a few times where it looks like we're about to break out to the upside and we just go down. That's kind of what happened over here in January. We were prone for, or even here, where is this? December. Oh yeah, this was the rug. This was J-Pal's rug right here. So we were, basing here for a big upside move too, and instead we went down. So since December, guys, and then we've recovered. Obviously, we were building structure here, and then we went down. Building structure here, down. This kind of ruined it. Well, actually, not too bad. It made some space to the upside. That's why we ran so hard. But yeah, went down here. We had this kind of big base going on. I mean, it's still valid, I guess. In a weird way. We have this base going on right here. I mean, this could go on for months. So this up, down. Here and here, we're basing for a big upside move. That was like obvious. This is a big base right here. This was setting us up for upside. But instead, we've taken the downside route. So this is an interesting deal too, because remember, we got now that I'm looking at it big picture, we got this big test here. We haven't really tested. I don't know. That kind of invalidates it a little bit. Now here we are right here. So this level pretty major. The good thing that I guess bulls have going for them is that RSI is completely buried. So, and remember I said that it doesn't like to be under the 30 for too long. So let's see. The last time we were under the 30. What were we under here? Oh yeah, barely right here. See, we were barely there. 29, 28, 29. So for about 12 hours, we were under right here. And then for about 4 hours, we were under there. Yeah, 4 hours. No, 8. No, 12 hours there. Yeah, so you guys see, we're hardly ever under for very long. So right now, we've been in it. 8 hours so far. Yeah, so that's the bullish thing that bulls have going for them, but they got kind of a lot of work to do before we can be long-term bullish. Yeah, here's the trade plan for today though. All that jibber jabber out of the way. We got oh, look at as Forseent. Yeah, so like I said, we're building this little bump to the upside finally, and we can kind of see it's nice to see the bullish side of it, but I'm just so bullish all the time. We were going up and up and up and up, and then we were about to try, but then we got rugged. But yeah, we do want to just see that. That's bullish. Obviously this is bearish, but this is looks like we're recovering. So we'll see how or where this takes us. But yeah, trade plan for today. These are possible like counter trend shorts, 60.87 and 61.02. Really this cluster 0.98 to 105. This is a lot. There's a lot going on right here. So this is the next major point. If we can clear this, that's us up for all-time highs. I say that, but I keep saying that. I'm pretty sure though, like this, yeah, big cluster here. Well, there's a big, actually, no, yeah. That'll wear the bearishness wear off right there. So that's the spot that we want to see, and if it happens, it'd be great today. If not, then we'll just keep taking it day by day. So yeah, but those are the targets. This is the first one up. As long as this recovers 59.96, which it looks like, well, it's struggling right now, but we'll see. RSI looks good. It's flat, is what you want to see. I mean, this is kind of indecisive though, because we still could go down. So I don't want to be too bullish and say we're out of the woods, but yeah, so we got the first target, second target, third target. We had this level here, 60.20. That's a possible bid if we're running hard, but this is kind of good because we do have a little base building. And this is another thing that we want to see on a move to the upside is this. I like to call it a slingshot, And we could even add these right here. This kind of allows for, a big triangle to be formed. So this base right here kind of allows it to just launch. So that's, exciting. And see, that's the problem is, you see things like this and it's like, oh, well, we got a shot, but then, you just see bull's weakness right here. Bull should have broken out. If we would have broken out here, we would have gone up. We would have tested here. It would have been bullish. But now we've failed, so we got some work to do. And then obviously this is playing out right here. This was the failed breakdown play of yesterday of 59.96. You had it played out twice, so you have it here when we broke it initially. This was at 1:30 in the morning if y'all were up, and immediately we popped what is that? Went from 59.82 to 6,004. So that was a 12-point pop right there. That was the first play. And then we had a micro failed breakdown of this one. Actually just kind of, popped here, twice on that megaphone support. But this one's taking us to a bigger failed breakdown. So this is actually the one. If you all were up at 4:30 and caught this, this is kind of the biggest one. We'll see where it goes. Obviously, we've gotten 2 levels out of it. I will probably bid here in a bit. I don't know. We'll see. I don't like this the way that it's looking here. I want to see 96 support hold probably another 30 minutes to an hour, because what I would prefer to see is this next candle get a little bit bigger. I guess up to here. Here, let's redo this. So, want to see this next candle go like this. Basically, we want to see the opposite of what we got over here. So we want to see, increasing candles here and here. So I don't mind waiting. But yeah, if we see that, maybe do a bit. I don't know, no, because now it's like our size up here. Yeah, it's just gonna be, I don't know. Just gotta watch it, honestly. A little tricky. Yeah, we really want to see this do a massive green pop here too. Even if it's something like, because we got this bump here, and then yeah, see, this is just so bearish. Gosh, here, something like that. I don't know. Really want to see it here. Get to 43 aggressively, but see, we get to 43, our side is gonna be, hot. We're gonna have to cool off and then dip and go back up again. So yeah, today's gonna be kind of annoying. Or we could just build like one of these strong legs up, which is what I honestly don't mind seeing. And we saw this like here. This is a good one. Here, so this strong leg up, or even this one. Those are 2 strong legs up. This one's probably even better. Strong leg up. That's probably what I want to be looking for. See, this is a weak leg up right here. See how it's like the angle is not as inclined, not as steep. See, this is bearish here. This is just too much. Even though I do want to see that here, yeah, I'd probably rather see like a big, strong leg, like maybe in this area. So we'll see, guys. That's kind of my analysis trade plan for today. We'll see what happens. Yeah, if y'all have any questions, just please feel free to reach out. Thanks for watching. We'll see y'all in the next one.